Hello there and welcome to Populations, Key Stage 3 Science. So let's have a read of this together. Population is a number of organisms of the same species or types living in one place. For example, there may be a population of 1,000 tadpoles living in a pond, or a population of 500 oak trees in some woods. The graph below shows how a population of rabbits grew when scientists placed 100 of them onto an island where rabbits had never lived before. So there we go, number of rabbits and the time in years. So you can see that we started off with 100 and slowly after a couple of years, that's gone up to just below 300 and it's been waving around up and down just under 300 rabbits, which means that it's gone up by just under 3 times over a 3-year period, 3 to 6 year period. So the population grew slowly at first as the rabbits were getting used to their new habitat. The population then grew very quickly as the rabbits had plenty of food and space and they were reproducing. The growth rate of the population then slowed down until it reached a fairly steady level of around about 260 rabbits. At this point, competition between rabbits for food and space had increased and predators were finding and killing the rabbits much more easily. When the balance between the number of births and deaths becomes equal, the population stops growing. And we can see here that the balance between birth and death rate is equal and the population has stopped growing. And the reason why the population has stopped growing because too many rabbits and there's competition for food and space between the rabbits, but at the same time, the predators have realized that they can actually kill the rabbits more easily for food because there's so many of them. So good luck with the rest of these questions. This topic is on population. We'll be looking at this in much more detail in our next lesson. Take care.